Hi everybody, this is Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations, and I just wanted to come to you today and show you a quick tip video. So in our new catalog that comes out on June 4th, we have the stamp cleaning pad, and I want to show you what it's about. I haven't opened mine yet, but I read what it was about, so we're going to do it together. But when I did coffee and cards this week, one of my customers, as she was helping me put my stamps away, said, "Oh my gosh, they're so pink," because we were using lovely lipstick. She's like, "Are they ruined? Are they okay?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, they're fine. We can still stamp with them. We can still see through them. It's not a problem." But I say, they're photopolymer stamps, right? So, they are pretty badly stained. Well, so our new stamp cleaning pad should take care of that for us. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's also going to be a refill for this available in the catalog, but we were able to pre-order the pad. Sorry, I'm trying to get the lid off. Come on. Okay, there we go. All right, so I have my badly stained flower, and I'm going to put it on the cleaner. And nice and juicy. I'm just going to wipe. And can you see the pink residue coming off on the stamp cleaner pad? And it's just getting lighter and lighter and lighter. And look at that. Look how much cleaner it is. I mean, yes, it's still pink, but nowhere near what it was. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my Stampin' scrub out and put my Stampin' mist on there. And finish cleaning my stamp. But look at that. Do you see how much cleaner that one is? Let's go ahead and do another one. Oh, it's really slippery now because it's so wet. Okay. But look at the difference, because I just pulled this off of here and these were the same pink color. All right, so let's try to lighten this one up too. Now, from what I have seen from other demonstrators, this will not work if you have had ink stained photopolymer stamps for a while. I mean, this is only 2-day-old ink. So I can't pull out photopolymer stamps that I used a month ago and expect them to come clean. But you know what? I wouldn't expect it anyway. But look at that. Look how much cleaner that is, even from that one, which I'm going to do next. So I love it. Again, it's going to be in our new annual catalog. I think it's $7. And there's going to be a refill available for it so that you can go ahead and refill it. So no more super dark stained photopolymer stamps. And I'm pretty excited about that. So anyhow, if you would like a catalog, please go to my site, randycollins.stampinup.net. I will be happy to send a catalog to any one of my customers. So all you need to do is make a purchase, and I'll get a catalog right out to you. Otherwise, on June 4th, I will have the link posted to the PDF once we're allowed to share, and you can place your order from there. All right, you know what I didn't show you? I didn't show you what would happen if we cleaned them right away. So let me go ahead and pull one out that hasn't been used before from this set. And this is Beautiful Bouquet, and this is carrying over to the next catalog. So I'm just going to pull out this one. All right, let me put that on. Okay, let me go ahead and ink it up. So we're going to ink that up, and of course it's going to be stained, right? Because I'm using lovely lipstick. So let's go ahead and stamp that. Okay, got that nice rich color there. And you can see that my stamp is pink, right? All right, so now let's use the stamp cleaner. Okay, so you can see it's pink. So now let's use the stamp cleaner. And if you do it right away, there you go. So I apologize that I didn't show that to you. That's why I wanted to edit and add it in. But if you go ahead and you do it right away, it'll go ahead and clean that ink right off of there so that your stamp is clear again. So biggest tip, do it right away. Don't wait. Like I said, mine had been on for about 2 days, but it's still, I love the way it cleaned up. But big tip, don't wait. And you'll be able to get all the ink back off. All right. So again, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.